G'day champs. Okay, your Hummer, do you get this error? Traction failed. Reduced speed. That reduced speed is a pain in the ass. Reduced power, sorry. Service stability system, stabilizing system. Okay. Now, I've had this pop up a couple of times recently. It disappears. I have found a fix to temporarily bypass it so you get that full power back, because there is nothing worse than taking off and then going chug, chug, chug. Now, apparently this happens quite often in the early Hummers. So what we're going to do, I've had the car just warm up for a couple of minutes. Going to just take it for a slow drive. So get in there, start it up, you'll get that error. Take it for a slow drive, maybe 500 meters up the road, shut the engine off, and then I'll tell you the next step. We'll just get into that now, and then let's just go. Let's go. Okay, we've pulled over, shut the engine off, shut the car down in total. Now, this is a Hummer H3 2007 model. I think it's those early years around about that this problem comes up. Now, people have said that they've been working on the electricals, things like that, maybe speakers, radio, stereo, playing around with the car seats or something like that, and they get this error. Now, I've done nothing like that. The only thing I can think of, bit of road rage. I accidentally ran a granny off the road the other day and she stuck her head out going, "I'm gonna curse you, you mother trucker." Boom. And I like dodged it. I saw that curse coming, I sidestepped. I think it hit the Hummer. So Hummer may be cursed. Now, this is just a temporary fix. I'm gonna have a good look over the weekend and see where the problem is actually coming from. I'll let you know. But you take that slow ride, 500 meters down the road, shut your engine off. You wait maybe a minute. So this probably been a minute. I'm going to start it up. We'll see if those lights come on. Hopefully they disappear. Then you can go drive to work, drive to the gym, whatever you're going to do without having to worry about that reduced power. So let's check it out. Okay. Park brake on. Start him up. Come on, boy. Come on. Park brake on. The little stability lights off. Let's turn off the park brake. And that's it. Done. So, as I said, temporary fix. But now, I can take off, I can overtake, I can do whatever I want to. We put it into gear first, genius. Anyway, if I can find out what the actual issue is, do up another video, I'll let you know. Peace. Subscribe just for the heck of it. Cheers.
I wanna go out to